Joseph Amoa is given a yellow card for his troubles. For that foul on Alex Banso to stop him. SCB. Bantu cleverly gets past a double. Pushes him down. It's going to be a free kick. Bantu Kubuate will clear his lines. Not too far. Hamza comes in central. Walid Husseini Nema to Emmanuel Mama looking for Donzo. Hatterfolk will walk the ball out of their defensive zone. Another cramp in there. Looks like Hubert Jau. Patrick Asiedu instead. The lace on the turf injured. ASANTE Kotoko's left back is clutched onto his thigh. Cramps already settling in.
Yeah, the players have not really had much game time in their legs, and it will definitely have a toll on them in instances like this. This has been a game that has demanded a lot from these players. They've poured their energy out on the field of play, and then these are some of the consequences that they would have to bear with. But again, we haven't recorded a goal yet. We've done 87 minutes. What if I say that the Baba Yara has become notable for producing late goals in fixtures like this? So let's see. Hopefully we can get one. Maybe not for us, of course, because they've not scored a goal beyond 76 minutes against ASANTE Kotoko. It has been Kotoko who have always produced the late goal. So maybe one is coming.
Maybe one is coming. Temporary hold up here. Charles Bulu will wait for medics to stretch off Patrick Asiedu. Tinkler has something to think about. Nebota Cup will continue with his instructions. In the last 5 GPL Super Clashes, 7 total goals were scored. 2 were stoppage time goals. Both late goals were scored by ASANTE Kotoko. Hearts have not scored a 75+ minute goal in those last 5 meetings in the league. Both late goals came at the Barbara Stadium. That means roughly 29% of all goals in the last 5 league super clashes came in the second half stoppage time. 2 out of the 7.
That is an interesting one. So it looks, according to history, if there's to be a late goal, it will come from Kotoko.
Game continues. Quick ball down the left-hand side. Joseph Amo rolls it down the left. Ofori. Back to Amoa. Amoa checks in and out with his man. Ball to Ofori. Ofori trying to get the better off of Mankwa. He's already on a yellow card. Ofori gets into the penalty area and Sibe finds himself in trouble, but he wins a free kick. Very much experienced. He knew exactly what he wanted to do. Calvin Osesibe. It looks like Patrick Asiedu may not be able to finish the game, but he's back, getting ready to come on. Free kick for Hatterfolk. Kader Mahmoud. Kader Mahmoud is coming on to replace Rafael Lamponta. Kader Mahmoud has come on to replace Rafael Lamponta. Malaria double with the ball down the right hand side. Walid Husseini Nema picks it up. Sanja wanted the pass. Jau picks up the ball. He makes the turn. Hubert Jau makes another turn. Out to this man. He finds Walid Adabo. Asiedu just on the halfway line. Sent in a long one. Morifin Donso loses that aerial tussle. Asiedu picks it up. Feet off Joe. Joe checks back onto his left foot. Walid Husseini wanted that ball. Ofori on his left hand side. Ofori. Space has been created for him. Joe. Clever attack from Hubert. Out to this man. He's been brought down. It's going to be a free kick against Henry Kwekubuati.
It is Joe trying to force affairs now. He's taking the game like he's grabbed the bull by the horn and he wants to take it to ACCRA as a foot. Let's see what he's able to fashion out of it.
Looks like we're going to play 5 more minutes after 90 minutes. 5 more minutes for any of these two sides to get the match winner, or we move into penalties.
No penalty shootout in the history of the Democracy Cup.
Exactly, this is the third edition, and that will be interesting. Sanja. Benjamin Asari tried to organize his wall. Sanja, is he going to go direct? He decides to go. Was always rising. Asari wouldn't even care about that.
And he also will not want to watch it again when the footage is replayed. He won't be proud of that kick.
I should expect his coach to tell him back when they have analysis. That was a poor one for me. There's going to be substitution there. Sanja is going off. And Tamuzi Aristote, the man from DR Congo. 3 more minutes.